Hey, I'm so excited to share with you my cinnamon almond crunch pancakes. Let's get started. As you know, I'm vegan, so first I'm going to start with the egg replacer. I place 1 tablespoon of egg replacer and 2 tablespoons of water, and then I just whisk it up. I have to do this first so that it can thicken while I make the rest of the recipe. So to make the pancake mix is completely easy. I'm going to put 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of pancake mix, and then just mix it up. All right, that is perfect. Now add your egg. This is perfect. There we go. There we go. All right, now you can just add this on top, or if you like it inside, I like to add mine inside, so I'm just gonna go ahead. So just mix the granola until it's well incorporated. And now we're ready to take it to the stovetop. But first you wanna get the skillet nice and warm on low heat. I like to use just some pure avocado or grapeseed oil. And then you're just gonna pour the pancake in. I like mine nice and thick. It should sizzle when you lay it down. So first you just check the size and make sure it's not stuck, and flip it over. There we go. Almost. And then just place it on your plate. And that's how you make my cinnamon almond crunch pancakes.